Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah wa sallallahu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Welcome back to another lesson. And inshallah in this lesson we're going to be covering ayahs number 112 of Surat al-Baqarah. So a'udhu billahi min shaitan rajim. We are here. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bala man mim fatha ma nun sukun man aslama بلى من أسلم وجهه لله وهو محسن فله You have tanween followed by fa, so that's actually ikhfa, right? وهو محسن فله أجره عند ربه ولا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون. Let's go to the next ayah. وقالت why is it till? Go from here. This drops, you go straight to the lam. وقالت اليهود not Yahudu, Yahudu. The waw extends the ha. وقالت اليهود ليست okay, ليست. What happens with this from here? Alif lam drops because this is called huruf shamsiyya. This comes assimilated into the noon. So it goes laysatin nasara tin. Okay, they become tin nasara ala shay'in وقالت النصارى. Same word, okay? Well, the idea is the same because this is a ta kasra, right? وقالت النصارى ليست. What I like to do a lot of times, if I keep seeing these words, you're going to pause, read it multiple times till you get really comfortable with. The next time you see laysati, you'll get faster. Okay, that's one method you can use to be able to read a little faster. Okay, so we're back over here. So as we read from here, what do we see? Laysatil, because this alif lam, this alif drops, goes into the lam. Remember, this always had like an L sound. So we go from here, til. Laysatil yahudu ala shay'in. Okay, على شيء وهم يتلون على شيء وهم يتلون الكتاب يتلون نل. This alif lam drops. نل كتاب كذلك قال قال lal, this drops, goes straight into this lam. قال الذين, ذين, because the ya extends the dal. قال الذين لا كذلك قال الذين لا يعلمون يعلمون مثل قولهم مثل قولهم. Jim here is a good place to stop. مثل قولهم. فالله فالله يحكم يحكم بينهم بينهم يوم يوم because this meme mal, this drops, goes straight to the lam again, same rule. Mal يوم القيامة قيا, this is extending the ya with the fatha here. قيامتي. فيما, the ya extends the fa. فيما فيما كانوا. You got to make sure you get those vowelings right, because if you don't give it a little bit extension here, you might say فيما كانوا. فيما كانوا فيه, like that. فيه يختلفون. صدق الله العظيم والحمد لله رب العالمين. جزاكم الله خير for watching. Please pray for me and my family. May Allah bless you. We'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.